Hello and welcome back to another video. Let me make this really quick because my battery camera is about to die. I did not do a recap for Friday because I crashed out. I lost $390. I got liquidated. I was part of the liquidation team. If you're part of the liquidation team, hashtag liquidated, hashtag liquid, hashtag liquid. I was liquidated on that day and I wasn't liquidated. I didn't lose all my money. But, okay, I have beef with the markets. Now, let me tell you what happened. Let me show you what happened, okay? So on Friday, which was the 28th, last day of the month, it's always the last day of the month or the first day of the month where I'm ready to crash out. It's either or. It's like, oh, you did so good. Like, okay, we did good mid-month. As soon as it starts to begin, the beginning of the month is when I start to, see the negatives and the reds. Let me calm down. So on the 28th, okay, okay, on the 28th, I guarantee you, man, I'm trying to tell you, we didn't have news until 8:45, and the President Trump speaks, this right here was tentative. So, usually, it doesn't really show up, each day. So I'm like, I can still trade after that day. So let's go to SPY and let's go for the previous day. Let's go to February 28th. Let's hit that replay button and let's go. Okay, we're assuming here now. We're assuming here like, okay, now it's time to look for some trades. It's after 8:45. I'm I'm practicing my risk management. I'm like, okay, we're consolidating in this moment. No biggie. Everything's great, everything's Gucci. Like we're just trying to see some action in the market. It's above VWAP. So I'm like, okay, let's see. I might be taking some calls right now. I might be taking some calls. But it's going, I'm not seeing anything right now. I'm chilling. So I'm like, okay, I see a cute little supply. I see a cute little, no, no, no. I see a cute little demand right here. A cute little demand. And, and I'm like, okay, we're about to this is just a chill day, just a chill girl. And, okay, I'm like, ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm getting ready for, I'm getting ready for a call. I'm getting ready for a call. So I put in that long position and I'm like, okay, this has got to be it. It's one of them days like we've been going green throughout the whole week. We about to be green forever. Okay, we're about to make 100% win rate this week. Okay, so I'm seeing that okay, I'm just gonna make a cute 1-to-1. Like we're not even like a cute little $2. And mind you, as I get in here, I actually make it. It actually goes up. And I'm running up. I'm like, okay, not me. Flipping this account. With my cute little $800 or whatever. So let's say I put in a buy. I put in a buy. I put in a buy. And it's 10 o'clock right now, and I'm like, okay, price about to price is about to do me good. Like it's going. Like the volume was amazing. I'm already up $200. For just like I risked like 549, I believe, for this trade. And red candle didn't scare me. Everything is Gucci goo. And I see that my take profit is 589.10. And I see that this price, right here. And at this time, I didn't go back to Forex Factory to see whether the tentative was updated to 11:15 a.m. because I probably would have I would no, not probably. I would have waited until after 11:15 a.m. and, taken a trade. I'm up $1.44, man. Like $200. I'm flipping this. I'm about to be up a good substantial amount. But sweetie, tell me why. And price is just so shy of it's just right there. I could have taken profit. I could have taken profit. But I didn't know that news already came out by that time. And then I'm starting to get I'm like, okay, what's going on? Like, and then I look back as well and I see that there is a supply line right here. Granted, it could have been here. This is justified. This right here, this is justified. I can understand if, price dropped immediately after that. I can understand that. But the issue was that the tentative news came out while I was in this trade, and I'm looking at the tentative and I'm like 11:15. I would have waited. I wouldn't have I wouldn't have taken that dream, but I can see how that would have been dropped because price at this level, we have a bunch of sellers right here, okay? And a lot of people may have been like, girl, you should have just, you should have seen that point before, but that's not my strategy. It's not my strategy. So at this point, price is going, I'm like, okay, it may have gone up a little bit, and it didn't even touch my stop loss yet. So I'm like, okay, usually sometimes it likes to, liquidate at my stop loss for those people, but then it riles back up. So I'm still in the trend. I'm like, okay, we're gonna get it. Like, it's gonna go all the way back up. I'm like, ooh, look at that. It's going back up. Sweetly, I'm thinking it's gonna hit it. Nope. And I should have seen that there was a lot of bullish pressure, but there was also a lot of buying power. Sorry, bearish pressure. I always keep mistaking the two. I see that there's a lot of buying and selling. So I should have actually taken the initiative and just taken my profit right there. But nope. I should have seen right there and probably gone in for a break even. But nope. I stay in the trade because I've stayed in the trade for like 2 to 3 hours before. This is nothing new. This ain't nothing crazy. Nope. Get liquidated. And then what's even worse is that what happens throughout the whole day. I'm just going to play that. Still hit my take profit. Did you see how it still hit my take profit? Do you see how it still hit my take profit? But did you see what I had to sacrifice? I stayed in the trade all the way down here. And I exited the trade. I literally exited my trade right here. And then it shot back up and then it passed my TP. Can I fight somebody in the market? Like somebody? So that's it for that day. Whatever. Left my Friday very salty. But so now we're here on Monday. And I see that for today, Monday, we don't have news until 9 a.m. So I wait until 9 a.m. Obviously, price is, doesn't know what to do right here. And then as I'm waiting through 9 a.m., price starts to, it's not doing anything. No. So I see a spot to get in right here. I'm like, okay, chart pattern confirmed, right here. No, not right there. That's supply right here. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna look for puts. So I'm like, oh, hey, good, bad. There's a lot of bearish. I'm going in bearish right now. I'm thinking I'm gonna go in bearish. But then my criteria is that I can't go in if price goes above VWAP. But then as price is going above VWAP and closes above VWAP, I see a red candle and I'm like, I should get in. But then I don't, and I'm just gonna let that play out. I don't get in. And let me just show you what happens when I don't get in. I stay. I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna get in. It's Gucci, like it's fine. Like this can just be a day where I don't get in, or I'm looking for another opportunity below VWAP, or I'm hoping that maybe it'll go above. But I'm like, but we're also in a bear market, so I'm like, okay, but it's just it didn't meet all the criteria for me to take a trade. But see what happens. I'm because of what happened to me on Friday and my trauma, I see, I'm trying to wait to see, when President Trump is gonna speak because it was still tentative. So I'm like, okay, let me wait. I wait. It doesn't, I'm refreshing the page over and over again, and then nothing really happens. So I'm just looking for, a way to get in, a way to get in. But look at what happens. Yup. Yup. Price drops below. And I'm regretting why I didn't enter right here at this candle, because I already had a pattern confirmation, but it was above view up. So I don't know if I should add that to my grades area. So obs, you see that price goes down from 93 to 89. And I'm like, okay, nothing's really, it's not going to go down anymore. Bam, boom, bam. It goes down a little bit more than a little bit more, almost $10. And I'm like, okay, maybe I can enter again, but I don't want to be stopped out. And I don't want to be liquidated. I don't want to be tricked out, faked out. No, price is still pricing. Oh, so that's a story of how I did not take a trade today. One, because I was practicing my risk management. This was the most I've practiced my risk management in my entire life. I have never done such risk management before. The FOMO. I actually had a lot of FOMO, but it wasn't really affecting me like that. And I feel like my camera's about to die, so I'm just gonna say thank you for watching this video. I'm liquid. Not really. I'm still live account. But I didn't take any trade today. So that's still a win for me, because no red day yet. Watch tomorrow be a freaking red day. But yeah, that's my trade recap. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord if you want to trade with us. We had some winners today in the Discord. I was the only one that had a gray day, meaning I didn't trade today, but we had, some good profits. Some good profits in the chat today, and good for you. Good for y'all. I didn't take any trade. What do we have tomorrow? So tomorrow, what do we got? What do we have tomorrow? Tomorrow's what? Tomorrow's the 4th. Tomorrow we don't have any. Okay, at least we have a time where Trump is going to speak, so I don't have to worry about whether he's going to speak while looking for a trade. So hopefully the market, I know maybe the market's the volume is going to be a little bit low, but yeah, that's whatever. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next video. Bye.